Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix 3 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first, open list of all the settings, then open the advanced one by tapping on More under Wireless and Networks. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. And now, as you can see, this operation will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you want to do it, click on Reset Settings. Now confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone. Just click on OK. Give your device a sec, and as you can see, network settings have been reset. So that's it. This is how you can easily reset network settings on your XIAOMI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.